Okay. Okay, we can start.
1 minute, please. Yeah, okay. Yeah, hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes. We can start from exercise 4.2. 4.2 exercise. Here some questions are there where we have to find out the roots by using the factorization method. If you know this, then I can go to the question number 3 directly, because question number 2 is the solve examples.
Factorization, like splitting the middle term or the formula?
No, direct splitting. It's not a formula. So if you can do it, otherwise if you want to meet, then I will do it some questions.
I can do it.
Okay, so we start with the question number 3 directly, right?
Question number 3.
Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182.
So, x plus
Yes. First number should
x
be
plus
assumed as
y.
x, and x plus y is equals to 27, y is equal to 27 minus x. The product, I'll show you here, you see. Question number 3 it is. Let the first number. This is the first number. Let the first number is equal to x. And another number will be another number, that is 27 minus x. Because suppose this number is y, then x plus y is equal to 27, then y value is 27 minus x. Here a t q means, according to the question, product of these two means x into 27 minus
X
x.
into 27. Yeah.
Their product must be equal to 182. So I'll frame a quadratic expression and I will leave it up to you then how to solve it. You can solve those quadratic expression. 27x minus x will be multiplied with this x also, becomes x square is equal to 182. Then 27x minus x square plus 182, if you take this side, minus 182 is equal to 0. Now we have to
X
multiply with
square
the
minus
sign,
square
because
minus 27x plus 182.
that for this quadratic expression, find out the factors and tell me what are the possible factors. X square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Find out the factors and tell me the answer.
X minus 13 and X minus 14.
Okay, x minus 13 means x value is 13 and x is equal to 14 are these two numbers whose sum if you find out you'll get
4 plus 3 is 7. Plus
yes
1,
27.
27.
Product will be 180. That's correct. Now next question number 4 is what given? Find the two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 165. So let us assume that let the consecutive numbers are, you know the concept of consecutive.
Yeah, X and then X plus 1.
Yes, x comma x plus 1. So according to the question, product of not product, square of this number and their quadratic another consecutive number is x plus 1. If you make a square of these two, your answer will be what? 365. Now this one we have to simplify and get a quadratic expression. X square as it is, we apply here a plus b whole square, which is becomes a square plus b square is 1
plus 2ab
plus 2ab is 2x, and we take 365 also this side becomes minus 365 is equal to 0. X square plus x square together becomes 2x square plus 2x. And from 365 we subtract 1. We get minus 364 is equal to 0. Now you can notice here it is also divisible by 2. Then 2 common. X square plus x minus 364 also if you divide with the 2, you will get 182 is equal to 0. Now same it is a quadratic expression. Find out the factors. Same way just now we did. Find out and tell me the values of x.
X plus 14, X minus 2.
Same way. Same way, the answer is correct. X is equal to 13 and X is equal to 14. These are the two consecutive numbers. 13 and 14 are the consecutive numbers. Next question. So the question is, the altitude of a triangle is 7 centimeter less than the base. If the hypotenuse is 13, find the other two sides. So according to the question, there is a small figure is required here, that a figure of right angle, because it's talking about hypotenuse and the base. So definitely it is a right angle. So assume that this is your right angle. Now look at it. Hypotenuse is how much?
13.
13. Suppose base is x. So that the base is x. And this will be x minus 7. Okay. So we'll start
That's
our
the
problem.
altitude.
Yeah, that's the altitude. Let the base of triangle is equal to x. On the altitude, automatically according to the question, altitude is from this question is 7 less than the base, so x minus 7. So by Pythagoras theorem,
Yeah. A
we apply
square
the
plus
Pythagoras theorem.
or AB
Square of the diagonal is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. Right now, that is c square is equal to a square plus b square. So c square value is here. This one, if you want, you can give their names also. ABC, square of the diagonal, if hypotenuse is 13 square, it is equal to x square.
AB AC
plus,
square AB no, AC is equal to AB by
this one only, no? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square.
Yeah.
So 13 square is nothing but 169 is equal to x square plus we apply again a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square
minus
plus b square. 7 square is
49.
49 minus 7 2s are 14x. This 169 is equal to x plus x is 2x square. It's a minus 14x plus 49.
Plus 49.
Okay, now.
And then
So
the 169 will come here.
Yes. 2x square minus 14x plus
120.
49
minus 149 minus 120.
169 is equal to 0. So then if you further simplify, we get 2x square minus 14x, and from 169 we subtract 49, we will get what? 120 is equal to 0. Now if you notice, it is all
x square minus 7x
divisible by 2. Yes, x square minus 7x plus 60 is equal to 0. Now it's a quadratic equation. Now find out the factors. Just leave it up to you. You can just find out the factors and tell me.
X is equal to 12 and 5.
Yes, x is equal to 12 and x is equal to minus 5. But
Minus 5.
we cannot take the negative values because the base should not be negative. So the sides, okay. So we have to
Wait,
find
no, okay, 1 minute. I wrote it as
12
I got
and
12 and 5 as the factors. So I wrote x squared minus 12x plus 5x minus
yes, it
16.
is correct. X is equal to 12 and x is equal to minus 5. You're getting, but minus 5 we should
Okay,
not
okay,
consider. X is equal to 12 is this one, base. Base is the 12. Then automatically 12 minus 7 means hypotenuse, perpendicular side becomes 5. So like that. So the sides are 12 and 5.
12 by 5.
Yes. Now next, move to the question number 6. The question is, a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed that on a particular day that the cost of the production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on the day. If the total cost of the production on that day was 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So, according to the question, we can start. Let the
Cost of production is x.
number of articles. Of articles that should be taken as x. Okay, and the cost of each article will be what will it is given twice and 3 more than. So if you make a twice of this is twice of this is 2x and 3 more than. This is the cost. And already we know a basic formula that here I will write. Total cost is equal to total items into the cost of each item. So this logic we have to apply to solve the question. So if you apply this one, total cost will be given in our question is 90, no?
Yeah.
Yes. And total items are, we are assuming one is x, and the cost of each item will be twice more than 3. So it will be 2x plus 3. So just simplify and get a quadratic expression, which is equal to here 2x square plus 3x.
And then 90 will come there minus 90.
2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. Now find out the factors and tell me.
Like,
Tomorrow also your school timing will be same. Tomorrow is a Friday.
no, tomorrow I will be coming.
Tomorrow, shall we take real time 3 o'clock? 1:30 is your time.
I'll tell you. Before the class, I'll tell you.
First, tomorrow night, I have the function to also reach there. So if the class is afternoon, then it is better.
Right. I'm not getting the factor.
This one, okay. Let me do it. Factors 92 is 180, 180 x square. Now we have to search these factors. So you know that's what I'm not doing. See here, 180 is there. You have to take the LCM of this 180. With which number you want to start? Better to start with 2. 2 nines are and 0. 2 45s are. And 3 we have to start with 3. Least number always. 3 ones are, 3 fives are. 3 fives are. 5 ones are. The factors are in between these numbers only. Now you see, if I collect these 3 numbers, 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. Write down here 12, and 5 threes are 15. Write down here 15. Now these are the possible factors, 15 and 12. Now I want minus sign. So where I should keep the minus sign? Minus sign will be here. This is 12x. This is 15x. This is our answer. 2x square as it is. 2x square. 2x square, and then 3x can be written as 15x minus 12x.
Is it necessary for it to be written like this, or can be applicable?
We can change in a different way also like that. 2x square minus 12x we write first, plus 15x. Yeah. Minus 90 is equal to 0. This is the best way to search the factors. Take the LCM and find out. 2 common, x minus 6. This is 15 common. Once again, x minus 6 is equal to 0. Then we say x minus 6 up to, it's a 2x common. X minus 6 into 2x plus 15. 2x plus 15 means x value should be negative. Items should not be negative. So we do not consider this case. We should consider only this case. X minus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. So number of article is 6. And if you want to find out the cost we have taken as 2 into x value is 6 plus 3. 6 rules are 12 plus 3. So the cost is 15 rupees. That's it, end of this problem. And then I want to take a break. After the break, we'll come back again and we start exercise 4.3. in 4.3 also, we do the word problems. Okay. Okay.
The next word problem.
You finished already?
No, no, wait.
Okay. After the break, let's see.